Today I'll be showing you what you need in your facial service bag for your state board exam. So inside of my facial service bag, in no particular order, I have some towels. Make sure that you have several towels. Please don't mind the stain. But I have several towels in this bag. I believe I put this one I put three in there. And then you also need to have your headband for your client to go around their hair to protect them from getting the product all over their hair. Also need your toner. You could fill it up with just water and some type of food coloring, your makeup remover. You can use either a cream or a liquid. Just make sure that some cleanser. I would definitely recommend a cream. And then you will have some massage cream as well as your cotton swabs. I do recommend the flat ones for this particular service. And then you also will have some tissue, or you could easily use paper towels, whatever you prefer. These are just a little bit easier to manage. And then you also need some clips just in case you have to clip anything out of the way. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Our applicators and our spatulas are also in the bag so that you're able to keep everything sanitary and not sticking your fingers into the jars during the service. You have moisturizer, and also check with your local state and make sure that you have everything that you may or may need for this portion of the test. We no longer are required to apply lashes, so the tweezers in Texas are no longer necessary. But thanks for watching, and I hope that this helps with your test, and good luck.